So I was chilling and Chat GPT is out, and it's probably one of the most innovative features of tech that's out there. For those of you that have been using Chat GPT, you would know that for some time now, you could type anything and it would give you a response. And a lot of kids have been using it for varsity and assignments, projects, work, coding, every different aspect of life where you need an answer, you could potentially ask ChatGPT and get a response from it. The new 4.0 model is one of the best pieces of AI tech that I have actually used in a long time. Now I know there's been Siri and Alexa and Bixby, but OpenAI's version of an interactive, talkative, and conversational AI has been, for me, just amazing to use since it's been released. And for those of you that know that if you have the free version, you're going to be limited to the amount of messages that you could actually send back and forth on conversation, as opposed to paid or subscription users. And that simply all boils down to the resources. Having the resources, and it just allows OpenAI to be able to manage resources. Those that pay for the service, they'll be able to allocate them the resources, and those with the free version will not have as much allocation as those that are paying for the version of it. So let's give it a bit of a test. So I'm gonna go on my phone and I'm gonna launch the OpenAI chat, and as you can see, it's opened up over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to send it a message, and let's see. Hey OpenAI, can you tell me what are the 7 wonders of the world, but explain that to me as if I was a 7-year-old child?
Of course, the 7 wonders of the world are amazing places and things people made a long, long time ago. They are super cool and special because they show how clever and creative people can be. Here they are. 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza. This is a giant pyramid in Egypt. It's like a huge triangle made of stone blocks, and it's really, really old.
Alright, and you get the crux of it. It's just so interactive in that it gives just people so much more accessibility to it. Imagine those that just were disabled and could not type now could have a conversation with AI and get responses off the internet. And then imagine people that just want to gain information but are too lazy to read. And that's one thing, as a lot of people nowadays are also but too lazy to technically read up on information. So I've been experimenting with OpenAI for a while and this model, and I'm on the paid version. So, let's put it to the ultimate test. Let's ask if it can extract information from a book, explain it, and then also maybe tell us how to apply it into our everyday life. And for those of you who don't know, it will say connecting when you open it up. I just open a new chat again and it's listening. Alright, so I want you to explain the 8 rules of love outlined in Jay Shetty's book, as well as the ways to implement it with your partner or my partner or whoever, and the ways to implement it, right? But keep it clear and concise and under 2 minutes.
Jay Shetty's book, The 8 Rules of Love, outlines principles for building a healthy and lasting relationship. Here's a quick summary of the 8 rules and how to implement them. 1. Let yourself be alone. Understand yourself first. Spend time alone to reflect on your needs and values before bringing them into a relationship. Implementation. Have regular me time for self-reflection and personal growth. 2. Don't ignore your karma. Your actions affect your relationship. Be mindful of your behavior and how it impacts your partner.
And wow, that is insane. The fact that I was able to extract the information from the web and then give me a detailed orientation of it. So that really goes to say, if technology has advanced this much in such a short period of time, where literally 15 years ago we were still walking around with smaller phones that didn't have these capabilities, what does the next 5 years bring about? Well, We never know, and that's the beauty of technology. I want you to say goodbye to my watchers on this current YouTube video and ask them to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. See you in the next video.